Pumpkin rice made with freshly squeezed coconut milk. You can never go wrong with this one. First, I am going to cut the pumpkin. Once I cut the pumpkin, I'm going to go ahead and remove the seeds. Next, I am going to go ahead and peel the skin from the pumpkin. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. After peeling the pumpkin, I'm going to go ahead and cut it into cubes. You can use a grater to grate the pumpkin, but I prefer it this way. And we cannot skip by washing our vegetables, so I'm going to go ahead and wash the pumpkin along with some bell peppers and carrot. The bell peppers and carrot are optional, so you can feel free to skip them if you like. So once I wash them, I'm going to go ahead and dice them into small pieces. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the 2 cups of freshly squeezed coconut milk to the pot, followed by the pumpkin, salt to taste, garlic, pimento, black pepper, hot butter, or you can use coconut oil or olive oil, any oil of your choice. Next, I'm gonna add this chicken noodle. I am using a strainer to remove the seasoning from the noodle. Give it a stir and allow it to cook until it is fork tender. Once the pumpkin is fork tender, mash a few pieces, and this helps bring out that beautiful vibrant color that makes the rice look amazing. Next, I'm gonna add the carrot, the bell peppers, and the green onion. Stir well. Add 1 cup of water. For this recipe, I will be using 2 cups of rice. So once I measure the rice, I'm gonna go ahead and wash it until the water runs clear. Next, I'm gonna add the rice to the pumpkin mixture and give it a stir. Add 1 pepper along with thyme. Cover the pot and allow the rice to cook. And if needed, you can add a little more water. For that fluffy, well-steamed rice, I'm gonna place a piece of file paper over the pot. Then I'm gonna cover and let the rice steam properly. Once finished, remove the pepper and thyme stems. Fluff the rice and serve it, and I'm telling you, this is very delicious and you should definitely give it a try. I will place the recipe in the description box below, so ensure that you check it out and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.